Hey guys, here I am on board of the new Transalp from Honda, and the first thing I'm gonna see, it's standing up, because now I'm learning how to do off-road, and since this motorcycle does give me that ability, I want to try it. And I can honestly say, for a tall guy like me, I'm really impressed that I can reach the handlebar without great effort. It's super smooth, super comfortable. I think it's well designed for off-road. Yeah, I would manage well on this motorcycle off-road. Well, not well. According to my abilities, I would manage with this beautiful motorcycle. Look, let's do this roundabout. See how she leans. Here she goes. Look, look, look. I'm not doing MotoGP, but it is leaning really well, as you can see. And then we do have this amazing engine that comes with the Hornet. It's exactly the same engine, a little bit tweaked here, so we have more power and more torque on the lower RPMs. It's a different ride from the Hornet, so but this 90 horsepower, it's more than enough for you to reach speeds around the 100, 160 without any major efforts. The wind on my helmet was going over the helmet, but here I do think the windscreen is shorter on the sides, because I do catch a lot of wind on my chest. That's the only thing that I think I would change. But then again, I'm gonna phrase, this motorcycle is designed for off-road, and when you are doing off-road, you don't want a big windscreen in front of your face. You want to see clear in front of you, and for that, with that purpose in mind, the windscreen, it's okay. Only thing, it's adjusted manually. Since I'm here, dashboard, it's a complete dashboard, like the brand new dashboard, like in the Africa Twin. We have a clock, the engine temperature, RPMs, fuel level, the user modes. So we do have user, sport, standard, rain, gravel, and back to user, the speed, gear indicator, and here you have more information like total kilometers, average 5.8 liters average. I said 5, so it's 5.8. Then with this button this button here, I can change for trip A and trip B and back to fuel level and everything, average and everything. So we have all this information. Of course, this is all adjusted when the motorcycle is stopped. You can adjust all this information on the dashboard, but here I don't have time for that today. I just have the motorcycle for 1 hour today, unfortunately. So I'm doing this like in a rush, trying to show you or tell you everything there is to say about this motorcycle and show you everything in this short time that I have with it. More things here. When on the riding mode user, you can configure the power of the motorcycle 4 levels, engine brake 3 levels, traction controls 5 levels, and you can disconnect or connect the ABS. But look at this. I'm still in 4th gear, I have one more. Wow. And there she goes. Another things, suspensions, they are good, and since we are here, there's no one coming. 3, 2, 1, stop. Wow, the brakes, they do work fine. These clippers, to this on the front, and this in clippers, everything. ABS on, I have ABS on, so stop. ABS working. I can disconnect ABS, but I do not want to disconnect the ABS. So let's go here. We're gonna turn around, do something like this, wait for the traffic to pass, and go this way. Then we do have adjustments here. Here you do not have any adjustments. High beams, passing lights, the function button, which if you press, you can disconnect and connect the auxiliary lights, which are over there. Super simple. Then the mode button to change, to rotate between the riding modes. This button here to up and down and to rotate with this information there. A horn, blinkers left and right, hazard lights on the right side, the starter of the motorcycle, and the kill switch. Here, the mirrors, good visibility. I can see perfectly around, like say 90% for each side. It doesn't shake too much. The motorcycle has very few vibrations,
So it is a really well designed motorcycle and well thought motorcycle from Honda. Well, they are, usually when it comes from Honda, they are well thought and well designed. What people expect from, or always try to expect from Honda, is that they have the same engines as the Yamahas, which will not happen because it's a different kind of riders that go for the Hondas. We do have here a place where you can attach, or you can put a 12-volt socket. It's somewhere here there's a USB socket type C. I don't know where, I didn't find it yet. The riding position is nice. I'm well seated, my legs are well against the tank, my feet are on the proper position. We do have a really nice smooth gearbox. The quick shift works like a charm. Let me go one down and one up. Super smooth, no problems. I've been doing the manual thing, but I forget I do have the quick shift. The handle of the motorcycle, it is amazing, guys. There is no point of buying, in my opinion, 1000, 1100 or 1300 adventure bike. With this mid-range, you have more than enough for having fun. And look, I'm gonna do it again. I don't care. I'm gonna do it. Just with the twist of the throttle. 135, 144, 150, 60, 64, 66. And just to show you that without big effort we can go interesting speeds. And as you can see, I'm in the upright position, I'm not moving from this position, and it works really nice. I'm super happy with the motorcycle. What are the competitors of this brand? Well, we have the T7, the Yamaha, which everyone knows. Yamaha, it's quite different from this one. Yamaha, it's a more off-road motorcycle. This one, it's more travel motorcycle that you can take off-road. Different concepts, but everyone tries to compare these two models. We do have the KTM, the 790. Again, more powerful, more electronics and other things, more expensive. We have the Aprilia, the Touareg, Moto Morini, the Escape. The good thing is that we have lots of models that you can choose from. And now we have the Transalp, which it was something that was missing from the Honda lineup. On this mid-range engines, they didn't have anything, and now they have. And they have something that it will be very pleasant for the most of you. Okay, 90% of you guys who are gonna buy this motorcycle, the only off-road you'll be doing, it's to take it down to the beach a little bit with your wife, or on the weekends. That's it. Honestly, that's the most things you'll be doing with this beautiful motorcycle, and for that it is more than suitable. Super fine. The price, 10,600 euros here in my country, and I'm talking about Portugal, okay? I don't know other countries. It is a very competitive price. Of course, when you start putting extras like crash bars, auxiliary lights, quick shift, heated grips, side cases, top cases, and blah 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 blah, it will skyrocket the price. Oh, also one other thing which is important, please do put some, if you intend to do off-road, of course, some engine protection, because this one does not have the engine protection. And basically this is it, guys. This is my fast review of this Honda Transalp. Okay, I just have to say thank you to the dealership, which is Linha Way, for lending me this motorcycle. It was for an hour where I had to do the English and the Portuguese review, so as you can see, the time, it's not that much, but at least I try to bring you for now this beautiful model that everyone is looking, and it's very hard to have it available because it's always out for test rides and I can understand why. Okay, I already had an expectation how the engine was going to behave. Like I said, the same as it is on the Hornet, and I know how pleasant it is, I know how fun it is, and it didn't disappoint me. It's a really nice motorcycle, and you should, again I'm gonna emphasize, you should go for a dealership and try it. Having said this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to see my future videos, follow my other networks, click on the links below and leave your comments, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!